Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new YouTuber on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like my video. Today's video title is how to set standard time in your mobile phone. So let us start our video. Firstly click the setting option in your phone and swipe up and click the date and time bar and swipe up some. Use 24-hour format. Activate this mode and here you will see 7:14 is seen in the standard time is 19:14. So here you will see that your standard time will be changed. So in this way your time will be changed in the standard time. So if this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video.